Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve question number 15 of exercise number 12.3. Okay. In this question we have given one figure, and in this figure ABC is a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle, that means the angle A becomes 90 degree. Is it? Of radius 14 centimeter. The radius of this circle from where we got quadrant, that is 14 centimeter. AB and AC are 14 centimeter. And a circle is drawn with BC as diameter. This BC is the side of this triangle. On this side, taking as diameter, drawn a circle, or sorry, semicircle. Drawn a semicircle. Find the area of the shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. How we find it? Simply, area of this semicircle minus area of this segment will give the answer. Okay. To find the area of this semicircle, we have to find the radius of this semicircle. How we find the radius of the circle? See, it's a right angle triangle. Okay. That means this side 14 centimeter, this side 14 centimeter. Then what about this side? We will apply Pythagoras theorem to find the side BC. And after getting the side BC, we will divide by 2 to get the radius. By that radius, we will find the area of this semicircle. Clear? How we find the area of this segment? Area of this segment will be found after subtracting the area of triangle from the area of this quadrant. Clear? समझ आ गया क्वेश्चन क्या करना है? Okay. Now we are starting from solution. Suppose I am taking one name here. It is D. This here is a point D, and here is a point E. Okay. Now area of quadrant with radius 14 centimeter is equal to, area of quadrant means 1 upon 4 of area of triangle, area of circle, that is pi r square upon 4. Pi r square, that is 22 into r square, r is 14 into 14 upon 4 into 7. 7 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. That means area of the quadrant is 154 centimeter square. Clear? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into 14 into 14. 2 7s are 14, that is 98 centimeter square. Clear? Now area of segment BCD. Area of segment BCD is equal to 154 minus 98, that is 56 centimeter square. Got it? इस पोर्शन को फाइंड करने के लिए हमने इस क्वाड्रेंट के एरिया में से इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया को माइनस किया, जिससे हमको ये सेगमेंट का एरिया मिला. क्लियर? नाउ इन ट्रायंगल ABC, what is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square by applying Pythagoras theorem. So BC square is equal to AB square, that is 14 square plus 14 square. So BC square is equal to 14 square, that is 196 plus 196. So BC square is equal to 392. So BC is equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. Clear? That means the diameter of the semicircle, this implies diameter of the semicircle BCE B is equal to BC is equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. This implies radius, that is, suppose it is it is radius O, let it be. Radius OB is equal to 14 root 2 upon 2, that is 2 1 2, 2 7 14, that is 7 root 2 centimeter. Clear? Now area of semicircle with radius 7 root 2 centimeter is equal to pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2, 7 cancel, 22 into 2 into 7, that is 14, 22 into 14, 22 semicircle na, upon 2 also, upon 2, pi r square upon 2. So 2 and these 2 root 2 cancel, it is 154 centimeter square. Clear? Now area of shaded region is equal to this area of semicircle BCEB minus area of segment BCDB is equal to 154 minus this 56 centimeter square, that is 98 centimeter square is the required answer. Clear, students? The students, pause the video to be noted down.